We're getting a news break coming in from the top court, which has in fact been very, very critical of beer biceps Ranveer Allahabadiya. In fact, going on to question his counsel, saying, are you defending the kind of language used by your client? The Supreme Court, in very, very harsh observations on the comments made by Ranveer Allahabadiya in the comedy show India's Got Latent, says there has to be a height of lack of responsibility, such condemnable behavior where he thinks he can do anything and take society for granted. The Supreme Court saying, tell us anyone in this world who will like this. You are insulting parents of everyone. There's dirt in his mind. Why should court hear this kind of a person? The Supreme Court telling Allahabadiya's counsel that there must be some parameters of obscenity. What are the parameters of obscenity according to you? If this is not obscenity, then what is? Now, the Supreme Court lashing out at Ranveer Allahabadiya has said this is condemnable, reprehensible and dirty, that he thinks he can do anything and take society for granted. Very, very, very strong comments coming in right now from the Supreme Court based on Ranveer Allahabadiya's petition before the top court seeking relief, because multiple FIRs have been filed against him. But the Supreme Court now lashing out at Ranveer Allahabadiya, aka Beer Biceps, for the comment that he made in the show India's Got Latent. Nalini Sharma is joining us with more details on this. Nalini, Ranveer Allahabadiya was perhaps hoping for some relief from the top court. We don't know if he's getting that just yet, but very, very harsh observations from the top court.
Well, absolutely, Akshita, and this is probably not how Ranveer Allahabadiya saw his matter going on before the Supreme Court, because he'd essentially asked for clubbing of the FIRs that have been filed against him. But the Supreme Court has said that liberty is a completely different issue. Over here, what we're talking about is obscenity and vulgarity. And if this is not obscenity, then what is? In fact, going to the extent of calling it, like you said, comprehensible, repressible and disgusting. They've also called it dirty. They've said that there is dirt in his mind. They've gone ahead and said that why should we hear a person like this who makes comments like this, who's taking the society for granted? Is this supposed to be humor? Very strong observations coming in from the Supreme Court against Ranveer Allahabadiya, and it seems unlikely that there will be any relief that is coming in for him. Our colleague Shrishti Ojha is sending us these updates, and let's take you quickly through some of the highlights of what the Supreme Court has said during the hearing today. Number one, they've said that we have to behave within the parameters of obscenity, and they've gone ahead and asked the counsel for Ranveer Allahabadiya, which interestingly enough is the son of the former CJI, Dr. D.Y. Chandrachud, Abhinav Chandrachud, who's representing him before the Supreme Court. And they've asked him, what are the parameters of obscenity according to your client? And does these comments that have been made by him on the show, does this not meet the parameters? The court has also gone ahead and said that if this is not obscenity, what is? See the language you've used. Have you got the license to speak such things in public? They've also gone ahead and said that this was an insult to parents, the fact that it was said on a public platform. They've said that there has to be some responsibility, and he thinks he can do anything and take the society for granted. So some very, very strong observations coming in against Allahabadiya. A very big rap coming in from the highest court of the country. It remains to be seen what happens once this matter finally gets over in the Supreme Court as to whether or not there will be any relief. But it seems like the Supreme Court is telling him right now that he needs to follow the process of law. He needs to be part of the investigations, and he needs to see it to the very end. He needs to be part of all the probes that are going on, and there are only 3 FIRs against him right now, 1 in Guwahati and 2 in Maharashtra. So it remains to be seen whether or not the Supreme Court is going to accept. But Supreme Court even right now is saying, and there's a bench that is a 2-judge bench that is hearing this matter, where they are saying that the language used by him is better than the language. In fact, the counsel, Abhinav Chandrachud, has made a reference to some of the statements that have been made by other politicians during the course of their public speeches, to which the Supreme Court has said that the language used by them is better than the language that you have used, and that the words that you choose will make parents feel ashamed. Daughters and sisters will feel ashamed. The entire society is feeling ashamed. The pervert mind that you have and your henchmen have exhibited is not acceptable, is the message coming in from the Supreme Court in very clear words, no holds barred. The Supreme Court's made it clear that these kind of comments are not acceptable in the Indian society, especially when you're talking about parents. There has to be certain respect given to them. And no comedian, no public personality, no podcaster, no influencer can take the society for granted in the manner that Ranveer Alabadia is. There was a lot of debate regarding as to whether or not this was an overstretch and that whether or not it should be forgotten as a joke. But the Supreme Court's making it clear that this is not funny in any manner. This is not a joke. In fact, it's an insult to the parents. It's an insult to the society, where the entire family unit, including parents, mothers and sisters, and society as a general, would be ashamed at the kind of comments that have been made by Ranveer Alabadia during the course of this show.